How to chat with Bard AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use the Google Bard AI as a chatbot and chat with it. First, open your preferred web browser and type in bard.google.com and search. Or you can also open up your Bard AI application on your preferred device. Make sure that you are logged into your Bard using your Google account as well. Now, after you are logged in, you'll be able to see this screen. Here in the text box at the bottom, you can enter any prompts. You can simply go ahead and type in a prompt in the text box in a form of a question or a request that you want the Bard to answer or do. After you type in your command or prompt, tap the send button on the right corner, wait for the result, and there you have it. You'll be able to see and review the Bard's response. You can also give it a thumbs up, or if you dislike it, give it a thumbs down and enter a rating for the Google Bard response. That is pretty much it. That is how you can easily chat with the Bard AI in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by pressing the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another interesting videos from 2-minute tutorial. I'll be back with more of these quick videos again. Thank you for watching.